The Green and Golden Journey of Karabük. "Wow, Denise, look!" cried Ayla, peering out the window. They had just arrived in Karabük province, a special place in Turkey full of ancient history and deep green wonders. "Mom said this trip would be full of surprises," Denise agreed, adjusting his backpack. "Karabük, here we come." Their first stop was the magnificent Yenis forests. The trees reached so high they tickled the clouds. "This must be one of the greenest places on earth," Ayla whispered. The air smelled fresh and earthy. Karabük is proud of these protected forests. Denise found a map showing paths that crisscrossed through the wooded mountains. "We can follow this trail," he suggested. Karabük isn't just known for its history. It's a paradise for nature lovers too. They spent the morning spotting unique birds and hopping over smooth river stones. After their forest adventure, they traveled to the heart of the province, Safranbolu Old Town. This incredible town is so important that it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. That means the whole world agrees it must be protected, Ayla explained. Safranbolu streets were lined with beautifully preserved Ottoman houses from hundreds of years ago. They had special upper floors that hung over the street, painted bright white and warm brown. It felt like stepping back in time to the Ottoman Empire. A friendly local baker offered them a treat. "This is why they call it Safranbolu. It's famous for saffron," she explained. The siblings learned that saffron is a spice so valuable, it's sometimes called red gold, and it grows right here in Karabük. Next, they headed to a place where the landscape split open, Tokatli Canyon. It was deep and dramatic, carved by a river over millennia. Denise stared down into the vast space, realizing how powerful nature can be. To see the canyon properly, they climbed up to the crystal terrace. This amazing platform is made entirely of clear glass, hanging 80 meters above the canyon floor. Ayla felt a thrilling mix of fear and excitement standing on the see-through floor, looking at the view across Karabük. "From the deepest canyons to the highest glass floors, Karabük has it all," said Denise. "We saw the historic UNESCO homes of the Ottoman Empire and the wild paths of the Yenis forests, all in one trip," Ayla agreed. "It's amazing how much beauty is packed into this one province." Karabük had taught them that history and nature often dance together. As the sun set, painting the old town walls in shades of orange and pink, Ayla knew they would always remember the magic of this special Turkish province.